Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemmel, Big Kahuna Trading Club. Got another good looking stock here called BE, Bloom Energy Corporation. Really exploded nicely off of the probably the election news, and maybe they have some projects planned for the infrastructure or whatever. I'm not quite sure what's going on with it. All I know is we have a hell of a breakout of the TY2 cycle. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Helps us to reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. So taking a look at the cycles, again we have the breakout of the TY2 cycle, and just drilling down inside of that trendline breakout, we had looks to be an internal TM2, see 1, 2, 3, yeah, TM2, 3.5 month cycle. Once you get that final trend line set there, around $10, just basically one more retest of that. So we got a strong breakout there. Now my one little concern is the fact we came so far so fast, almost 200%, actually probably about 200% on that. 2.2 BMI basically. So when you have something like that, a lot of times you're going to want to rest longer than the short cycles. Right now this is a TM1 cycle. It's a 27 to 33 month cycle. It looks like a squeeze coming in, but I'm a little bit suspicious because of the big gain without a little bit further consolidation. So basically wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, this right here is more of a post breakout consolidation pullback, PBC, and so 3 solid waves below that. Third wave held above the wave 2 lows, so there is a price squeeze there, and I'd expect 2 to 4 days minimum inside of that, but I'm a little bit concerned about that without getting a little bit further out in the cycles. Maybe a TD9, which is a 50-day cycle, basically a 2.5 month cycle. So just to give you an example, back here on this side over here, on the left hand side of this setup, you can see right here we got a nice breakout here. This was about 138%. so if you went randomly buying the breakout here of the TM1, it would have rolled over very quickly, and you didn't get a really good entry until the 200 MA hit, which again is going to be, on this particular one, is 1, 2, just about 2.5 months, the 50-day cycle. And so it's really good move off of the 200 MA, 216% there. So yeah, I'm a little bit concerned about it because of the big move we've had so far on that. So don't be surprised you get a breakout and it rolls back over to let the 200 MA catch up to it. Could very well happen, but it could also continue up, just following a moving average, etc. But looks pretty good on the long-term chart on it. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at biggunnertradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, one final look at this bottom here. We want to always try to look at how we can get the best entry possible. You can see during that long downtrend, you really didn't get some clear footing until you got down to near that $10 psychological price point. You can see once we got here, we got a bounce off of it, and basically for just about a year was bouncing off that $10 psychological price point. That was your first close. And then the second close, a lot of times the strength of that bounce, it's getting close to 100% gain there on that bounce. The other thing is we look for is a 6 month plus high. And so we go back here, look at that. Let's go off the highs there. Yeah, 9 months right there. So you got your 9 month. If you go right here, if you use this, we got a 1.5 month, yeah, a little bit over 1.5 months there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got a 5 month here. It's a TM3 cycle. And so again, psychological price point, 6 month plus high, TSS cycle pullback, Cat 1, Cat 2, and then you go internal, Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3. So that's how you can get really, really tight entries near the lows of these consolidations. That's BE, Bloom Energy Corporation. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.